Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV and MrMikeGarner.com. Affirmations are statements that work on the principle of NLP. NLP is neuro-linguistic programming. What it means is that you're programming your neurology. Your neurology is your thought processes, your brain processes, which control your body and your emotions. And if you talk to your brain, you will find that your brain will give you what you want. You talk consciously, and then your subconscious mind picks up that speak, that talk, that statement, and it works on bringing that into your reality. It's called sensory acuity. Enough said. Affirmations have 3 P's: the positive, the present tense, and the personal. They always start with I am. They always say that the I am, which is you, me, we, have it now. There's no future in an affirmation. There's no past. You talk in the now. And they're always positive. You don't talk about what you don't want. You don't say, I want to stop eating cream cakes. I want to stop smoking. I want to stop arguing. You don't put into the mind the thing that you don't want. You don't talk about arguing. You just talk about being peaceful. You don't talk about not eating cream cakes. You talk about eating healthy, clean, nutritious food. You don't talk about not wanting to smoke. You talk about wanting clean, fresh air and a clean, fresh body. So having said all that, every day, drive your behaviours with positive affirmations. Learn to say things after the word I am that create the lifestyle and the personality and the reality that you want to experience. So I am an excellent driver. I am a successful businessman. I am healthy. I am confident. I am able to public speak. Whatever it is that you want, that you're not, pretend that that's who you are. Say it, saying I am, and then say the positive, personal and present tense statements. And if you do it for 21 days, repetitively throughout the day, with feeling as if you believe it, this will change your life. If you want help creating affirmations, you know where I am. If you need a chat, I'm here for that. Be powerful. You're powerful. I am powerful. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your mind.